Closing your Outlook account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a guide to help you through it. Step 1. Sign into your account. Begin by logging into your Outlook account using your email address and password. Make sure you are using a secure connection. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner and selecting View Account or Account Settings. Step 3. Find the closure option. In the account settings menu, look for the option related to account closure or deletion. This may be under a section labeled Security or Privacy. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Carefully read the information provided about closing your account. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include verifying your identity and confirming your decision to close the account. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After completing the required steps, you will be prompted to confirm the closure of your account. Make sure to review any warnings about losing access to your emails and data before finalizing the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Outlook account will be closed. Remember to back up any important information before proceeding, as this action is usually irreversible.